Hi guys and welcome. As a part of our Christmas series, today we're going to be using Christmas cards to decorate our Christmas tree. And it can be older Christmas cards or newer ones, but it's a really good sentiment. And when your guests come over and they see that you use it in that way, that will make them very happy. I've had really good feedback over the years when I've done this. It's really easy, so I'm going to show you in just a few steps. And I do hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already, and also share for those that you think will benefit from this. So let's do this. So here you can see that I have the cards on here, but I also have other things on the tree as well. I have bells, I have ornaments, different sizes, and I have snowflakes. And it really just depends on what your theme is, what you're wanting to use. You can mix and match any way that you like. The main thing to bear in mind though is that at the top of the tree, you'll want to make sure that you're putting the ones that are vertical. Because the top of the tree is more narrow, you'll want to use the space in that way. And as you come down and get further down, you would use the ones that are horizontal because the bottom of the tree is wider, so it has more space to fit these in. So that's pretty much as far as arrangement goes. Now as far as what you need to use, you will need to have one of these, which is a hole puncher. You can use a ruler if you like on your card and just measure across to make sure that you're getting in the middle. If you're good at estimating, then you can just look at it and figure where it might be. And then you're going to use your hole puncher and just put it over the card, press it, and then it's going to pop out and leave that spot there for you to hang it. And of course, you'll also need to have your ornament hook, which you'll hook in the card, and you'll just attach it wherever you want to on the tree. So I hope that helps. I hope you'll try it. And as always, I do thank you so much for watching my channel, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season.